If your business is scaling fast but your cash flow insights are stuck in spreadsheets, Tesorio could be the tool that transforms how you manage money. Tesorio is built for finance teams, not just bookkeepers. It helps you forecast cash flow, manage receivables, and get ahead of liquidity issues with automated insights that plug right into your ERP. Once connected to tools like NetSuite or QuickBooks, Tesorio pulls your real-time financial data and builds live dashboards. You can filter by customer, segment, or time period and see exactly who's paying late, what's upcoming, and how it affects your runway. One standout feature is automated collections workflow. You can personalize outreach emails based on customer behaviors, automate follow-ups, and get alerted before things go off track. For CFOs, it's a visibility tool. For AR teams, it's a productivity boost. And for growing companies, it reduces the guesswork around burn rate and payment risk. But if you're a solo freelancer or a small business with simple finances, this might feel like overkill. If your cash flow headaches are getting more complex as you grow, Tesorio is absolutely worth the time. This is how to literally bring in clarity to your cash flow one smart tool at a time.